There was a little bit glitch. So once again, welcome you all in the session, and I hope I'm audible now. And the session is going to be very interesting. We'll discuss the clear roadmap, how someone can become the network engineer. I know we are already mid of the year. Means today is 15th June, and almost we are mid of the year of 2025. And still, if you have a dream to become a network engineer, first video I made on January, and I can see a lot of transformation has been happen for the different sets of the engineer who become the network engineer by learning the CCNA, CCNP, and the firewall courses. And still you are thinking, I want to become a network engineer, then how your roadmap is going to be look like? How you can even become the network engineer? That's I want to discuss. So it's your career, your choice. I can just only give the right direction, right roadmap. How basically you're going to become the network engineer. So before I can discuss anything, you can visit our website, and there is already one of the program that is a network engineer program. It's showing here, right? And you can watch the video. Just I created 6 months back, if I'm not wrong, and I can give the data in last 6 months. I have the 50 plus student who just completed the CCNA, CCNP, and the firewall courses, and they're getting a lot in their complete like whatever they have done in the learning section. They're getting complete good package, good professional growth. So even you have a dream to become a such engineer, this program is going to fit for you. Okay, and you are definitely going to get a lot of insights how to become network engineer. So before I can start, right, and I can explain the courses, what it is going to be look like, what you have to learn, I would like to tell something which is very important. So very first thing, if you have a dream to become a network engineer and you have a desire to become a network engineer, you have to start something very special that is known as a CCNA. So if you are not a CCNA certified, or you don't have a knowledge for the any kind of the CCNA track, basic networking fundamental, then you know it's going to be very difficult to become a network engineer. Sorry for my bad writings, but yeah, networking fundamentals, that is a mandatory stuff that is going to be required. And trust me, once you are going to choose your career for network engineer, right? I can tell you, right? There are a lot of job opportunity available in the market. And what is those job opportunity that I want to tell you? So if you want to go for the global, if you want to become the global engineer, like you want to get job in the Middle East country, you want to get job in the USA, like EMEA country, right? Even you want to go for the Europe based country, everywhere the demand is high. If you're the cloud engineer, even you are the network engineer, even you're the cyber security engineer, right? Even you are the system engineer, security engineer, information security engineer, the job is everywhere. And salary expectation is also very high, right? So probably the industry is having the high demand, and they are looking for the good network engineer who have the good CCNA level of knowledge. They have the good CCNP level of knowledge. They have good SD-WAN level of knowledge. I'm not going to say you have to do these all things. Along with you should have the some firewall level of knowledge. That might be going to be Palo Alto. That might be going to the FortiGate. That might be going for the Cisco ASA. Choice is yours, right? Checkpoint firewall, some other firewall is also available, but you have to start from zero. If you have a dream to become network engineer, you have to start from zero. That is a CCNA level of journey. So what is a CCNA, and what kind of the content you are going to get inside the CCNA? Definitely we'll discuss in somewhere in different discussion for the entire CCNA. But if I just say, right, if you want to become the graduate, let's suppose you have a dream to crack the graduation, 4 year graduation, 3 year graduation, might be there's going to be engineering, any kind of the post graduation, anything you want to do in your career for the higher study. First step, you have to clear the 10th exam, right? Without 10th exam you cannot appear for the 12th exam, and without 12th exam you cannot go for the higher education, that graduation. Like you even want to go for the BA, BCA, right? BCom, right? BE, BTech, and other courses, whatever available in the market. You have to go 10th, 12th, and the other track for the graduation. So the 10th exam is very important to become any level of the certifications you want to do in your your journey. So this is the similar step is going to happen for the network engineer. If you want to become a network engineer, right? This is the first steps. The like with the 10th exam is the CCNA. Like the 12th exam is going to be CCNP. And you want to become the graduate, then it is going to be CCIE. So this is the clear roadmap. So this is your first step. This is your second step. This is your third step. If you want to just go and grow in this particular section, so CCI is nothing, it's kind of the 10th grade of the exam that where you're going to learn how networking is going to build. And once you learn how networking fundamental is going to look like, what is IP addressing, what is the switching, what is the VLANs, what is the routing protocols, how the network infrastructure is going to look like, subnetting, then you have to go for the advanced routing and advanced switching. That is going to cover in the CCNP. And here probably you are going to get two things. The party is going to be CCNP ENCOR, right? So you're going to learn about the ENCOR, and that you have the part B that is known as the NRC. So this is the pure, you're going to be Bible of the networking. You're going to learn about the lot of stuff of the networking concept like network architecture, virtualizations, you're having some IPsec, routing, switching, SD-WAN, SDXS, automation, scripting. There's a lot of things you're going to learn in here. But NRC is all about the advanced routing. Means if you want to become the advanced routing expert, like you want to become the champion of the EIGRP, you want to become a champion of the OSPF, you want to champion of the BGP, MPLS, DMVPN, this is for the NRC. So here you have the two parts, and then once you've done, this is the going to be very high paid examinations. Almost you have to spend 1600 to 1800 USD for this exam. So it's kind of the graduation. You have to invest a lot of money, and there is a success rate is very low. So when you are going to fail, you have to lose all the money here. So that is one track to become a network engineer. Means this is the basic network engineer. That's the little bit mid level of the network engineer. That is the advanced level of the engineer. And then you're going to get the very good salary in the market. You can start from the 3 to 4 LPA from here. And here you can get 6 to 12 LPA. Going forward like 5 to 6 year of experience. And here you can go up to 30 plus LPA, 40 plus LPA. You can get easily that. So most of the people start from here and stop here. They not go for the CCI exam because their success rate is very low, right? So absolutely, like everyone not having that risk appetite and the financial like motivation to just go and appear the exam multiple time. Like we all might be not having such kind of the bank balance who can just go and spend a lot of examination fee, 1600 USD, and then even it is going to fail, they don't have to any concern for their family and for him. So 90% engineer, or 95% or 99% engineer, I can say, they do not go for the CCI exam. Just 1% of the network engineer go for that exam, who has the more courage, who have the more confidence, and who want to do in something in their life, right? So 1 or 2% engineer definitely go for the CCI exam. So that is a one track where you can just discuss about that, how the CCNA. So basically to start your journey with the CCNA is the mandatory to become the network engineer. Now I just want to add some twist here. Let's suppose even you have done a CCNA or you are planning to do a CCNA, still you want to get the high paid salary. So the first step is CCNA is again going to be there. Likewise your 10th exam, right? It is going to be there. Then you are going to choose for the CCNP. That CCNP is going to be two module. One is the ENCOR plus another is going to be NRC. So it is going to be equivalent to 12th exam. But still you want to do the graduation and you want to get some good salary, but you don't want to take the risk appetite and you don't want to go the CCI, then what is the roadmap you have? How basically you can start your journey? So for that, we would like to introduce the third program here that is going to give the like number of opportunity, that is the firewalls. So let's suppose you don't want to go for the CCIE, but you want to add your network skills here. Plus here you want to add the security skills. Once you put these two things together, your CV is going to become very unique in the market. Trust me. You just check your surroundings, check your friends, check your family member who is in the same background. If they have this skill set, I'm 100% confident they are having the more salary than a normal network engineer who's just done the CCNA and CCNP. And might be they're going to get the equivalent or more than salary of the CCI people, right? So that's why the firewalls, what are the firewalls we have? Most popular firewall, that is the Palo Alto firewall. The another firewall we can add might be the FortiGate firewall. Fortinet and FortiGate is same. And might be you can go for the checkpoint firewall or might be Cisco ASA firewall. Now, can I do all three, four firewall, which are the very popular in the market? Answer is no. You don't have to do all three, four firewalls to become a network security engineer or network engineer. No. You start with any one firewall. Like suppose you start with Palo Alto. Let's say start with the FortiGate. It's your choice. Checkpoint ASA. Once you learn one firewall, note my word, the another firewall life is going to be very easy. Means you can easily going to learn other firewalls. There is no problem is going to happen. So your concept is going to build how the firewall is going to be configured, how the firewall is going to be troubleshoot, how the like the different policy, NAT, everything. Might be the GUI is going to be changed, CLI is going to be changed, the term is going to be changed, but concept is going to remain same. So that's why if you have this combinations and you want to become a network engineer, then I believe this is the right time for you. This is the right time for you. Just go CCNA plus CCNP plus any of the firewalls, which is going to be game changer for your entire professional journey. It's very important, guys. For that, we would like to introduce the first network engineer program that we launched in the January 2025. And in this, we have added the same concept, right? You are going to get the lab access. That is a definitely it is going to be there, but how to become a network engineer, this is the curriculum. First, even if you want to download the curriculum, you can just click and download the curriculum. It's absolutely available here. And the CCNA is the first fundamental. You have to learn about the CCNA. You can just check the what content you are going to get. You can download from here. Then you have to start with CCNP ENCOR. That exam is 35401. The entire CCNP ENCOR is going to be covered. You can even download the curriculum. The CCNP ENARSI, the same thing what I discussed. If you want to learn the CCNP, you want to become the advanced routing engineer, you can go and download this advanced routing concept as well. And this is the Palo Alto modules. So we added the Palo Alto modules. That is our course. But even you want to replace this firewall with any other, let's suppose you don't want to go with the Palo Alto firewall. You want to learn the FortiGate firewall. You can add. CCNA would be there. CCNP would be there. Palo Alto, if you don't want, you can go with the FortiGate. One firewall is going to part of this network engineer program. If you don't want FortiGate, you want to checkpoint, you go for the checkpoint as well. If you don't want to checkpoint, you want to go Cisco ASA firewall, you can go for Cisco ASA firewall. So this program is going to give the complete understanding. Even you want to download the syllabus, what content you are going to get from this PCNA and PCNSE. That exam also has been changed recently. The PCNA and PCNSE has been changed their examination. I'll let you know the separate lecture when we'll start the new session for the Palo Alto firewall. But this is a old name, so just ignore it. Then you are going to become. So that's why you can see here I add the firewalls. So complementary, the CCN would be there. CCNP would be completely there in core plus NRC, and the Palo Alto firewall would be there if you're going with the website course content. But if you want to change, let's suppose you talk with a counselor, you want to change that, then you can change with any other firewall. So this is the network engineer program, and you can see the real-time labs. You can get the real-time lab topology where n number of labs are going to be there. Also, even this is the website lab, but you can see, let me show you the labs, how the labs are available. So you go the network engineer program, you're going to get the very variety of the labs. You can see the CCNA, CCNP, and CCIE labs. Lots of labs are here. You can build your topology. The labs are not going to be locked for CCNA and CCNP and Palo Alto Firewall. You can build your topology. You can practice in our topology. There are a lot of topology available. You can see, you just click it. You can just, check the different labs, switching lab, routing lab. You can see the VTP lab, MPLS lab. You can see wireless lab even available, right? So OSPF lab. So there are a lot of labs are available. Even IPsec, you want to do that specific IPsec lab are here. So you can do a lot of practice for the CCN and CCNP. You done with the CCN and CCNP, you want to upgrade for the Palo Alto Firewall. The Palo Alto Firewall also have a lot of labs available. So these are all for you guys. If you're part of this community, you want to become you have the passion to become a network engineer, I would invite and learn with me. Okay. Even you don't want to learn with me, just go and watch my video on the YouTube. If you really feel it's going to add my value in my CV, just hit your comment, share or feedback. It's not something you mandatory to join. There are a lot of video, thousands plus videos available on our YouTube channel. You just go there and just go and find the GuiNet. You are going to find a lot of videos are going to be there, and almost 60,000 57,000 subscribers are there, and you can just find more than, you can see, 1,000 plus 1,300 plus videos available. You can find a lot of free resources available. You can check the quality of the content, what kind of the discussion is happening. And today morning we discussed about Cisco SD-WAN. See how people are interacting with the instructor, how they are discussing their concept, AI, ML, advanced networking, how it is going to be change MPLS, SD-WAN, like routing, switching. So you can learn a lot of insights from it. If you feel now I'm feeling comfortable and confident I can do it, then come and discuss one-to-one mentorship sessions. Come to join our network engineer program. Then probably you're going to get more insight. So you can just get a lot of videos are available. So that's why I just wanted to showcase how our network engineer program is going to look like. So we have this is the entire program. But let's suppose you want to do practice. How the practical is going to happen? Let's suppose you want to learn by yourself. You don't want to, join any kind of the session, any kind of the lecture, but you still want to learn. How can I do the practice? I can help you in that also. You don't have to worry about anything. I'm here to help you. So my goal is to communicate with maximum people, give the value, they can grow in their career, and if feel they grow in their career, just give thank you message to me. Okay, anywhere, website, support number, email, so I can just be happy. So if you want to become really a network engineer, you have a lot of free resources available. The first thing, you can go and download the packet tracer. It's available in the market. It means let me show you. You just go on the Google and just go and search packet tracer for the CCNA, right? So it's a very, free tool available from the Cisco itself. And from here, you can start your journey. You can learn how to build the lab, how to run the router, switches, firewalls, WLC in my packet tracers. So this is the first thing where you can start your journey. And it's absolutely free tool available in the market and a website. Now, if you have the good understanding, you done the CCNA on this, even from CCNP level also you can do that. But if you're planning for the CCNP, you go for the GNS3. This is again a free tool. GNS3 is a tool. You just go on the internet and download it. So it's again a free tool. Everything is available. Just you have to be right intent and you have to understand how can you use the tool. This is again software available. Every simulation can be happen. You can run the BGP, you can run the OSPF, you can run the EIGRP, you can run the MPLS, DMVPN, whatever you want to learn, even the firewalls, Palo Alto, FortiGate, everything is possible to simulate in the GNS3. So you can just go and learn from there. You have a dream to become a CCIE, then I would suggest go with the EVNG. So that is the highest level of simulation tool we have. That is the EVNG. So these are the three tools available, right? Where you can just draw the real-time scenario of the how things is going to be happen. You can do the troubleshooting, you can do the configuration, you can do some kind of the routing loop testing, NAT issues, switching issues, and other firewall features, whatever you want to do that. So this is how entire program is going to work, right? So if you have a dream to become a network engineer, just visit our website. There is two websites might be you're going to find. One is the GuiNet.com, where you're going to have to go in the courses, network engineer program is there. And then you can just scroll down, fill your form, right? Talk, or you can just chat with the counselor, download the curriculum. There is a lot of curriculum available. You can download from here. And directly, if you want to enroll, you can directly enroll from here as well. And then you can start, once you complete that your journey, you're going to get that complete certification network engineer program. It's a CCNP just demonstration we have done, but you want to do that, then you're going to get that, and you're going to get 6-month lab free. And if you're going to enroll in June, you are going to get for this program 8-month free lab for this particular all module. This is the one of the best commitment GuiNet can do as of now. If you're going to enroll for the this network engineer program, so you are going to get 6-month lab by default lab access, which is going to 24/7. But if you are going to enroll in June, because this is just middle of the year, so we are giving the bonuses. So we're going to offer the 2-month bonus lab access. And this is just one time it's happening in the year. If it is not going to repeat again, okay? Because we started in January, 50 plus student has taken their benefits. They, given a lot of great feedbacks after doing this courses. So we thought, let's relaunch this course again, re-course the audience, re-talk about it. So total lab access is going to be here 8 months. You can think 8 months it's enough for your all learning. Means completely you can learn and simulate CCNA, you can learn and test the CCNP, and also for the Palo Alto Firewall. Whatever you want to do that. So you have the complete picture for the next 8 months where you can play around. And this lab cost itself, if you're going to purchase on the website, let me show you. If you're going to purchase on the lab on the website, it is going to cost you a lot. It's not like something, it's you go and check the lab rentals also. So almost 2500 lab rental is going to happen for CCNP per month. It is going to Palo Alto, it is going to be happen almost 3000 lab rental. So in on average, you are going to talk about, so almost 20,000 is going to be, lab cost itself, but you are going to get free lab access for 8 months. That's a huge, guys. So if you don't want to go and build the your lab, you want to play with our lab. So we'll give that, lab access, and that can be accessible from anywhere. Just require the computer. The all lab access is going to be there. You're going to play around the firewalls. The course which is going to be network engineer program might be you're going to take the CCNA, CCNP in the FortiGate. Then you're going to get these 3 labs for next 8 months. If you're going for the Palo Alto plus CCNA CCNP, then you're going to get Palo Alto plus CCNA CCNP lab for the next 8 months. So don't wait, okay? Drop DM, reach out to us, right? And just WhatsApp, or you can just contact with the team by going writing the email as well, info@guinet.com, and the team is going to get back. So their dedicated counselor are there, they're going to help you out. One more portal is there, learn.guinet. So this portal is quite new. Even you have the number, you can see, you can reach out from there as well. So this portal is getting built, and it's still in the beta phase, and we are doing the testing and all. So even you want to go there, you want to check, there is no network engineer program is still launched here. But yes, definitely you can see a lot of courses are here. We have the SDWAN, Cisco, other courses are available, cloud network engineer. So we're building this new websites. The team is working, a developer are working. So probably it is going to be soon live. So more upcoming things is going to be land on this website also. So you can see this website is also from the GuiNet, learn.guinet, and this is the main website, guinet.com. So both are available, and you can just hit and you can understand. Even you can want, if you have a desire to become a Cisco SDWAN engineer, see, this is the latest Cisco we manage, we onboarded. And because I'm the instructor, this we manage, I found this available, so I can just want to show you. So if you have a dream to become the SDWAN engineer, and you want to learn your like something real scenario based on that, latest iOS version. So let me show you. So this version is currently which I'm going to use you. Let me show you. It's a 20. plus version, quite new. So you can just go here and see 20.3.6 version, which is quite latest in the market. So even you want to learn something new feature in the SD-WAN, the batch is just started today. And just we have the introduction session. If you want to become the SD-WAN expert, if you have the desire to become, just go and see this video. This is absolutely available and you can see a lot of insight is going to be there. So this is how you can start, guys. So wish you all the best and reach out to team and go and check the network engineer program which is available. This is what I wanted to just share with you all, and I just want to share the career path. So I wish you have something good understanding and wish you all the best. See you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.